Hey, what's up, y'all? So in this video, I have what I believe to be iron ore. This is the outside of this one. These are two different pieces. And then I broke it open, and this is what the inside of this one looks like. Really dark, got that iridescence to it. This is a very heavy stone, very dense stone for its size. This is not mica. It's definitely some type of ore. Like I said, I believe this to be iron ore on this one. Got a beautiful iridescence to it. This camera don't like to pick up very close for some reason, but pretty wild. It's the outside. Like I said, very heavy, very dense stone. And I've got a cheap $20 metal detector I got off Amazon here. That alerts to the presence of metal in that one. Same thing in this one. This one is a little bit more gold looking. Similar outside. These were both found in the same area in a creek. Actually a local river. Beautiful golden hue to this one. Well, that's it for this video. I appreciate your views, likes, and comments. Thanks to everyone that's been subscribing, and y'all have a good evening wherever you are in the world. Peace.